Welcome back to another part of our Japan travel series. We were supposed to start the day with a family meetup at Shinjuku Gyoen, but with our Shibuya Sky booking at 2:20 p.m., we didn't really have enough time to explore the park. So instead of rushing, we headed next door to the National Park's Discovery Center for lunch. There are exhibits where you can learn more about Japan's beautiful national parks, their landscapes, wildlife, and unique features. It's also a nice quick stop if you want to discover more of Japan's nature beyond the usual tourist spots. And the food here was actually really good. A little pricey but definitely delicious. And with full tummies, we were off to Shibuya. If you are planning to go to Shibuya Sky, book your tickets online and in advance, especially for the popular sunset slots. Ticket prices vary depending on your entry time, with later slots costing a little more. For the best experience, try to secure a slot about an hour before sunset. This gives you enough time to enjoy Shibuya Sky in daylight, catch the sunset, and watch Tokyo light up after dark. These time slots are very popular though, so make sure to book well in advance. And we finally made it to Shibuya Sky. At about 229 meters above Shibuya, this observation deck gives you an incredible 360-degree view of Tokyo. The main highlight is the open-air sky stage, where you can walk around the rooftop, relax on the cloud hammocks, and get that iconic photo at Sky Edge. You can also look down at the famous Shibuya Scramble Crossing and watch the tiny crowds moving below. On a clear day, you might even catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji in the distance. And if it already looks this amazing during the day, imagine being here around sunset. Watching the sky change colors and Tokyo slowly light up after dark would make the experience even more special. But don't head down just yet. One floor below the rooftop is the Indoor Sky Gallery with panoramic windows and interactive displays. There's also Paradise Lounge, a cafe and music bar where you can grab some drinks, snacks, or desserts while enjoying the view. It's a great place to slow down and relax after exploring the open-air rooftop. And since it's indoors, you can comfortably take in the city views no matter what the weather is like outside. We made our way to Miyashita Park, a shopping complex with a unique open-air rooftop park. Up here, you'll find spaces to relax, plus a skate park, climbing wall, and sand court, all located in the middle of Shibuya. And now we're entering Shibuya PARCO. It was super crowded, especially around the Pokémon Center. Unless you're after exclusive merch, we wouldn't consider it a must visit. But for big Pokémon fans, it's still worth checking out. And of course, since this was a family's first time in Japan, we couldn't leave Shibuya without experiencing the famous Shibuya Crossing. It was pretty tough to find a good spot with so many people around, so instead of trying to make our way to the center, we just settled on the far right side of the crossing. It may not have been the perfect spot for that iconic Shibuya Crossing shot, but at least we got to experience walking across with a busy crowd. Our next stop was Ueno Zoo. Unfortunately, it was a rainy day, so we didn't get to explore much of the zoo. Still, it was a special day because we finally met up with my in-laws and the rest of the family. We enjoyed a nice lunch together and took a short stroll before the rain started pouring even harder. So we decided to call it a day. We'll definitely have to come back to properly experience Ueno Zoo, and hopefully with better weather next time. Our next stop in Ginza was the Art Aquarium Museum, and this was such a unique experience. Instead of a traditional aquarium, beautiful goldfish are displayed in artistic tanks surrounded by colorful lights, music, and Japanese-inspired designs. As you walk through, each area has a different theme, with lighting and decorations completely changing the atmosphere. There are so many varieties of goldfish to see, displayed in tanks of different shapes and sizes. It almost feels like walking through an art exhibit rather than an aquarium. The kids had fun spotting all the different goldfish and watching the lights change. But honestly, this place is just as enjoyable for adults. Every corner feels like an art installation, and there are so many beautiful spots for photos and videos. It's a nice family friendly stop in Ginza, especially if you're looking for something indoors and a little different from the usual Tokyo attraction. After the art aquarium, we headed to Ginza 6 for lunch. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get any footage of where we ate, but there are plenty of great restaurants inside the mall, so we will definitely have lots of options to choose from. After lunch, we went up to the rooftop garden to chill and enjoy the cool weather. It was a nice little escape from the busy streets of Ginza and a perfect spot to slow down for a while. We let our little one practice his walking while his sister happily explored around. There were plenty of open spaces to stroll, sit, and simply enjoy the surroundings. We didn't really have anything planned here. We just relaxed, took in the views, and savored the cool spring weather before heading to our next stop.
Playground. We're not where we already played. A playground. Elevator.
We spent the rest of the day at Diversity in Odaiba, but before seeing the giant Gundam, we made a fun little stop at the Unko Museum. Our daughter finds anything poop related absolutely hilarious. So, of course, we knew she would have fun here. It's a colorful and interactive museum filled with poop themed games, displays, and plenty of funny photo spots. Liana had a great time trying out the different games and exploring all the colorful and silly displays around her. Seeing how much she enjoyed every little corner made the experience even more entertaining for us too.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.